if you are having any visibility problem, not able to say properly, okay, then just listen once. I'm repeating what I have written. I'm repeating, just listen to me. Okay, in Microsoft Excel, formulas perform calculations or other actions on data. Formula range from basic mathematical operations such as addition and subtraction to complex engineering and statistical calculations. It is easy, compute and calculated are required results from the data collected in Excel. It is also fast as compared to human beings. The assignments are complete, convenient and quickly with accurate result without any error ब्रैकेट में आएगा. ठीक है. Now note down this. Return. Okay, last second line I'm repeating first. The assignment are completed conveniently and quickly with accurate result. Sixth line. Sixth line is compute and calculate are required result from the data. Done. Complete conveniently. Complete conveniently and quickly with accurate result. Okay, done. Yes, it is right. Hmm. Now we'll move to our next. Shall we do a second question? Can we start with second question? Done, everyone? Okay. Should I rub this? Now, second is explain the use of equals to sign in formulae, right? The Excel formula has general structure and equal sign followed by one or more operands, which can be value, cell reference, range, name, or separated by one or more operations which are symbols that combine the operands such as plus, sign, and the greater than sign. Write down. I'm repeating once again for you, everyone. Please listen. The Excel formula has general structure and equals to followed by one or more operands which can be values, cell reference, range name, and separated by one or more operations which are symbols that combine the operands such as plus sign and the greater than sign. Full stop. Now it is visible. Why? मैंने लैपटॉप को छेड़ा थोड़ी है, स्क्रीन को जैसे थी वैसे ही है। पहले कैसे दिख रहा था फिर? तो फिर लिखा क्यों था यस मैम डन? ठीक है, मैं बोल रही हूँ, देखो ढंग से विष्णु। The Excel formula has general structure. The Excel formula has general structure and equals to sign followed by one or more operands, which can be values, cell reference, range, range name, or separated by one or more operations, which are symbols that combine the operands such as plus sign and greater than sign. Okay, Vishnu? Yes, take a screenshot. But I will also WhatsApp you if you are not able to see. Afterwards, after the class, you can see the recording also if you are not able to see right now. Yes, always. Means no need to panic so much. इतना परेशान मत हो, वो टेंशन मत लो. अगर नहीं दिख रहा है तो it's okay. I will WhatsApp you the answer. But I am also taking it live so that if you have any query regarding any of the, if you're not getting, if you have any problem in some any word that can be cleared live. That is why. Okay. ओके, हैव यू डन ऑल? सबने करा अभी समझ आया सबको आंसर्स? निखिल, विष्णु, आयुषी, सबको समझ आया? Okay. And I'll try to send you your audio request. Just see if you are able to uh, accept that, and I can see you live. If you have any problem, you can ask me whenever required. Ayushi, have you got the request? Then accept that. Let's see. What happened? Have you got the request from my side of opening your audio video? Ayushi. Okay, chalo, we'll try in our next class, right? So that if you have any problem, you can just, even I can see you and you can also see me and we can do it, right? It is just the Android problem and nothing else, Sandeep. कुछ में वर्जन सपोर्ट करता है तो वो रन हो जाता है और कुछ में वो रन नहीं हो पाता, राइट? ओके, वो एंड्रॉइड सपोर्ट कर देता है लैपटॉप कंप्यूटर उसमें आपके मोबाइल में, इसलिए वो चल जाती है रिकॉर्डिंग। एंड समटाइम्स वो लैपटॉप में अपडेटेड नहीं होगा, इसलिए वो आपको स्क्रीन शो नहीं कर रहा। ठीक है, ओके। हम्म वो जस्ट एंड्रॉइड वर्जन पे डिपेंड है। वो अगर आपका मोबाइल एंड्रॉइड वर्जन उसका एडवांस्ड है तो वो उसको केपेबल है उसको एक्सेप्ट करने में, उसको रन करने में, लैपटॉप में नहीं होगा, इसलिए। ठीक है, okay, so now we have done with two question answers, right? Okay, we will do all the question answers on board live, and when we'll complete with all of our question answers, at that time I will send you all the answers one time on WhatsApp, right? क्योंकि मैं आपको दो दो करके सेंड नहीं कर सकती। अगर मैं आपको दो दो तीन दिन सेंड करूंगी तो जो और बच्चे लाइव नहीं है, इट विल हैव अ मेस ओवर देयर, कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट होगा। ओके, तो हमेशा क्वेश्चन आंसर्स जब हमारे लाइव कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे उसके बाद ही मैं आपको वो भेजूंगी। ठीक है, तो प्लीज आप लोग मुझे व्हाट्सअप नहीं करेंगे पर्सनली कि मैम मुझे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भेज दो, मैम दो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भेज दो जो कराए थे, तीन भेज दो जो कराए थे। ठीक है, do it live as possible as you can do it. If you're not able to do, then wait to complete the question answers, then I will send you. Okay, clear everybody? Any problem now? Anything you want to ask? Bye all of you. Take care. Have a nice day to all of you. Or please keep studying, keep writing continuously, do your work continuously, and also read the chapter. Try to do some of the practical part on your laptops, computer, whatever you are having, if you are having. Okay, bye.